French artist Henri Matisse felt his work in the last years of his life was best represented him. During that time, he experimented with a new style, creating colorful, large-scale pictures with a paper instead of paint. He decorated the walls of his rooms with these bright images. This was important to him because he was diagnosed with cancer and was often confined on his bed. Becoming ill, losing a job, or enduring a heartbreak are examples of what some call being in the valley, where dread overshadows everything else. The people of Judah experienced this when they heard an invading army was approaching. Their king prayed, "If calamity comes, we will cry out to you in our distress, and you will hear us." God responded, "Go out to face your enemies tomorrow, and the Lord will be with you." When Judah's army arrived in the battlefield, their enemies had already destroyed each other. God's people spent 3 days collecting abandoned equipment, clothing, and valuables. Before leaving, they assembled to praise God and named the place the Valley of Beraka, which means blessing. God will walk with us through the lowest moment in our lives. He can make it possible to discover blessings in the valley. Another day, another life lesson.